The AS has 30 E3 sentry. Russia has 22 E50 mainstay. Russian fighter aviation number 360 Su-27 Flanker B fighter aircrafts, 61 Su-30 Flanker C multi-role combat aircrafts, 30 Su-35 Flanker E, 224 MiG-29 Fulcrum, 190 MiG-31 Foxhound. The United States has 192 F-15 Eagle, 257 F-15 Strike Eagle, 957 F-16 Fighting Falcon multipurpose fighters, 195 F-22 Raptor, and 71 F-35 fighters. Totally, Russia has 875 fighters against 1,630 fighters in the AS Air Forces. The AS Air Force has 291 A-10 Thunderbolt II, 29 Lockheed AC-130. The Russian Air Force has 121 Su-24 Fencer, 200 Su-25 Fog-Foot, 80 Su-34 Fullback. In total, the Russian Air Force has 401 frontline aircraft versus 320 four-line airplanes of the United States Air Force. The AS Air Force is armed with 68 B-1B Lancer, 20 B-2 Spirit, 77 Boeing B-52 strategic bombers. The Russian Air Force has 155 Tu-22 Blackfire, 96 Tu-95 Bear, 16 Tu-160 Blackjack airplanes. Totally, Russia has 267 strategic bombers versus 165 of the United States Air Force. At the same time, the AS air defense consists of 1,100 Patriot SAM systems and 30 THAAD systems. Russia has 1,900 S-300 systems, 224 S-300V systems, 10 S-350 VT systems, 200 S-400 Triumph systems, 350 Buk medium-range systems. Totally, it is 2,800 systems versus 1,150 systems of the United States Army. As of 2013, the AS Armed Forces had the following tank in the inventory: 2,300 Abrams M1, which were produced between 1980, 4,400 Abrams M1A1, which have been produced since 1984, 1,200 Abrams M1A2, which have been produced since 1992. As of 2014, the Russian Armed Forces had the following tanks in the inventory: T-72 modifications A and B, which were produced in Tagil since 1974, numbering 8,500. T-80 and its modifications B, BVU, including the modifications equipped with a gas turbine power plant, were produced in Tagil and Omsk since 1976, numbering 3,688. T-72B3, numbering more than 1,000, the modifications of which continues. T-90 Vladimir and its modifications, which have been produced since 1990 in Nizhny Tagil, numbering 1,000. T-13 Armata, its main battle tank, 5th generation, 50 units. Totally, the Russian Armed Forces has 14,238 tanks. The AS Army has 7,900 tanks. The AS Army had the following vehicles in the inventory: 4,466 Striker, 6,000 M113, 2,777 M1117, 6,400 M2 Bradley, 738 Hercules, 500 M3 Bradley, 130 M93 Fox, 2,386 RG-33, 8,780 International Max Pro, 2,300 RG-31, 4,400 Cougar H, 2,868 Cayman, 8722 M-ATV. Russia had the inventory 7,500 BMP-1, 5,000 BMP-2, 720 BMP-3, 7,000 Meteor-B, 2,000 Gas Tiger, 4,000 BTR-60 and BTR-17, 4,000 BTR-80 and BTR-82, 150 BMP-97, 2,500 BMD-1, 2,350 BMD-2, 100 BMD-3, 82 BMD-4, 700 BTR-D, 50 BTR-MD, 2,000 BRDM-2, 700 BRM-1. Russia has 38,832 APCs and the USA has 50,477. The US Armed Forces have 792 Apache attack helicopters, 100 Chinook military transport helicopters, 1,565 Black Hawk multipurpose helicopters, 250 Lakota multipurpose helicopters, 100 PF Hawk search and rescue helicopters, 59 Twin Huey multipurpose helicopters, 59 Iroquois multipurpose helicopters, 488 Kiowa multi-observation helicopters, and 47 Little Bird light assault helicopters. The Russian Air Force had the following fleet of helicopters: 6 K-50 attack helicopters, 94 K-52 attack helicopters, 620 Mi-24 attack helicopters, 75 Mi-35 attack helicopters with transport capabilities, 95 Mi-28 attack helicopters, 542 Mi-8 multipurpose helicopters, 87 Mi-26 heavy transport helicopters, 36 Ka-226 multipurpose helicopters, and 36 Ansett multipurpose helicopters. The Russian Air Force has less helicopters than the US, about 1,590 versus 3,929 helicopters. As a short-range air defense system, the US uses the Avenger, a hammer equipped with 8 Stinger missiles, with the maximum range reaching 5 kilometers. Russia has 133 Shilka, 400 Strela, 5 kilometers, 250 Tunguska, 5 kilometers, 400 Asa, 10 kilometers, 120 Tor missile systems, 15 kilometers, 40 Panzer S-1 systems, 20 kilometers. Totally, Russia has 1,343 systems, as armed forces have 330 M142 systems and 837 M270 systems. Russia has the inventory of 3,000 BM-21 Grad systems, 420 Grad-1 systems, 76 Tornado G systems, 900 Uragan systems, 106 Smerch units, and 13 Buratino systems. The total number 4,515 systems versus 1,197 of the United States. Currently, the US Army has 950 Paladin 155mm. Russia has the following systems: 36 Sprut SD 125mm, 790 Nona 120mm, 650 Star S 152mm, 1800 Akatsa 152mm, 30 Nona SVK 120mm, 2200 Gvozdika 122mm, 50 Hosta 120mm, 950 Hyacinth S 152mm, 430 Tulipan 450mm, 320 Pion 203mm, 10 Koalitsia SV 152mm. Totally, the Russian army has 7,266 self-propelled artillery mounts versus 950 of the US armed forces. The US had the inventory 230 Phantom II drones, 3,756 RQ-11 reconnaissance vehicles, 36 Praeria Aerobatics Maverick, 500 RQ-7 Shadow reconnaissance vehicles, 20 RQ-5 Hunter reconnaissance vehicles, 325 RQ-20 Puma, 93 MQ-9 Reaper attack systems, 37 RQ-4 Global Hawk surveillance, 75 Grey Eagle attack systems, 150 Predators. Russia has Orlan 10, Tachyon, Tipchak, Zastava, Pchela, Irkut 200, Dozor 85, Zala, Fortpost, Irkut, Orlan 3, Grenade, and Grusha. Totally, the USA has 5,222 UAVs, whereas Russia as of 2013, according to various estimates, had 1,720 reconnaissance UAVs. For reconnaissance and intelligence purposes, the USA has 47 C-12 Huron, 5 E-9 Widget, 83 RC-12 Huron, and 6-8. Russia has 15 An-30, 213. Totally, the USA 131 surveillance aircrafts. The Russian armed forces are equipped with 168 Iskander missiles, 116 Tochka systems, and 594 Sea-launched missiles club. Totally, Russia has 878 missiles. The US has about 2297 sea-launched Tomahawk missiles. As for towed artillery gun, the US armed forces have 392 M119 systems and 403 M777 systems, 327 M198 systems, systems. In the inventory of Russia there are 750 Star-B towed howitzers, 1027 D-20, 40 B4M, 700 D1, 3750 M30 howitzers, 100 ML20, 50 M47, 650 M46 systems, 600 T12, 2500 MT12, 100 Nona K, 1100 Godsend B, 907 of the United States. Hidden and continuous battle management is provided by airborne command and control aircraft, including 4 Nightwatch, 16 Joint Stars. Russia totally has 4 Il-80. The USA has 20 airborne command and control aircrafts. Electronic warfare aircraft are used for communication, intelligence, and the electromagnetic radiation analysis. The US has 14 Compass Call, 7 AC-130 Commander Solo-free. Russia has 20 Il-20 electronic warfare aircrafts. The US has 21. As of year-end of 2013, the deployed nuclear delivery vehicles in Russia numbered 528 and the United States 794. The number of warheads on deployed delivery vehicles in Russia is equal to 1,643. In the United States, 1,642. The total number of deployed and non-deployed delivery vehicles in Russia is equal to 911. In the United States, to 912. Strength side of the armed forces of the United States is Navy. In next video I will compare the US Navy and the Navy of Russia. I'm Dmitry Бездонный, see you later.